My life graduates. Awukaze nje wena ucabange nje sihleli nje kamnandi in a nice cozy place, si-comfortable with our drinks and snacks. Si-relax nje sichillile asijahe ndawo, akekho ojahe ukuhamba, akekho ojahe ukubhodwa cause vele indawo yokulala izo-rotate izojika nje ithi 1 ithi 2 khona la. Ofuna ukulala uzovele anyuke ama-stepisi ahambe ayolala yabo, noma vele awalk down the passage ahambe ayolala. Awukaze nje ube nalowo mbono nje sihleli kanjalo silalele lezi zindaba lezi, abanye bazixoxela izindaba zabo live, sibabuke emehlweni, sibabuze nemibuzo ukuthi hey waphuma kanjani, sibabuze sithi hawu kwase. Yebo, into enjalo nje ngaleso sikhathi sinanele kanjalo iyashinyama ngapha emlilweni, inuka kamnandi futhi. Lezi ndaba nje sizizwa sizilalele live, ningilalele ningizwe nje live nje 99 bukhoma. Abanye bazixoxela iy'ndaba zabo live, sibabuze imibuzo. Don't you think ukuthi it will be a lovely experience? Life graduates, engage me. Tell me if you would love to have an experience like this, a nice cozy thinking nje, ka 1 day overnight, a budget accommodation, nothing to break the bank somewhere. Yeah, man, I don't know, or just an afternoon, whatever, but something nje, yabo something nje. Don't you think that it will be nice? Engage me. Tell me if you would love me to organize something like that for you. That is why I usually ask, what are you watching from? Because I want to see who's watching from Bloom, who's watching from Durban, who's watching from Joburg, who's watching from Cape Town. Who knows? Maybe we might just fly to Cape Town nje siyolalela iy'ndaba zabantu baseKapa ezithethwa ngesiXhosa ke sana. Ezithethwa ngesiXhosa kuthiwe sana yandibhudela indoda laa nkazana. Yo, ndatsho uyigqiba ke ngomnye. Yabo, don't you ever or sidile nje no yobe ai gore wangitshwara ka matsogo ha monate, you know. Don't you ever? Maybe. Just think about it. Engage you in the comment section down below. Would you love that? Let's see if we can make that happen this year, right?